व्यूवर्स, आप देख रहे हैं जॉब टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में आपका होस्ट एक नई अपडेट के साथ जो जो है वो स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट का जो नेप के अंदर पेपर हुआ था उससे मुतल्लिक है। तो डिटेल वीडियो की तरफ जाने से पहले जो व्यूवर इस चैनल पर नए हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि उनको लेटेस्ट अपडेट इस चैनल की मिलती रहे। अब चलते हैं डिटेल वीडियो की तरफ। हम लेके आए हैं आपके लिए जो नेप का स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट का पेपर हुआ था उसका सोल्यूशन के साथ। तो हम वन बाय वन जो है वो क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं और आपको उसके बारे में आगाह करते हैं। ये है नेशनल अकाउंटेबिलिटी ब्यूरो रीजनल ऑफिस लाहौर। टाइम अलाउड 50 मिनट्स, टोटल मार्क्स 50, रिटन टेस्ट फॉर रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट PPS 14. This question paper is just for reading by the candidate. Do not write anything or tick mark any question on this paper except your roll number slip at the top right corner of this page. Select correct or most suitable answer of each questions and record the desired answer on a separate single page answer sheet attached at the end of question paper. सबसे पहले जो हमारे पास पोर्शन है पार्ट 1 इस्लामिक स्टडी का है फॉर मुस्लिम कैंडिडेट्स। द बुक ऑफ हदायत अल मुअत्ता वाज कंपाइल्ड बाय इमाम मालिक रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु। मक्की पीरियड ऑफ होली कुरान कंसिस्ट ऑफ 12 years 9 months and 5 days। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है द वर्ड मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एज ए नेम हैज़ बीन मेंशन इन कुरान फॉर 4 times। What was the significant event of 27 Rajab of 10th year of prophethood यानी मिराज किया था उन्होंने। What was the name of the camel which the holy prophet was riding in migration to Medina? Kaswa. Where is the grave of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam? Which efficiency theory suggests the action of moral if their primary purpose is to promote the best interest of other? The goal of corporate governance and business ethics education is teach students their professional accountability and uphold their the internal audit function is least effective when the department is not independent. Most companies begin the process of establishing organizational ethic programs by developing ethic training programs. Stakeholders are considered more important to an organization when they can make use their power on the organization. Nahi, they do not emphasize the urgency of their issues. Their issues are not legitimate. They can express themselves articulately. यानी D ऑप्शन इसमें सही है। Which of the following is not a social sustainability issue? Child labor, biodiversity, ethical trading, supply chain management. तो supply chain management नहीं है। The complete Buddhist monastery in Pakistan is found in Takhte Bai. Name of the mountain of Pakistan that is known as the youngest mountain range in the world, Himalaya Range. The first railway line in Pakistan was laid between Karachi and Kotri. When was the first constitution war abrogated and martial law was proclaimed? October 1958. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? 8 June 1962. Karakoram Highway is also called N35. Which is most widely used irrigation method in Pakistan? Perennial canals. Which Pakistan Cricket Board was affiliated to ICC? July 28, 1952. Cain Makrajzi is the highest railway station of Pakistan. It is near to Zob. When did Pakistan become a member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization? June 9, 2017. FTP is the abbreviation of File Transfer Protocol. Web pages are interlinked by using hyperlinks. The network in which we connect each node of the network along with single piece of network cable is called bus network topology. And Microsoft Word Control plus 1 is used for which of the following to set single line spacing? Portrait and landscaping are called for page orientation. Which bar is used located below the title bar that provide categorize option? Menu bar. Control Shift and Alt are used to modifier. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom play one card night to get benefit of the opportunity. Choose the correct meaning of idiom to pick hole to criticize someone. Synonym of obscure. Obscure का जो synonym है वो confusing है. Who is creating this mess? By whom is this mess being created? यानी passive voice इसका passive active voice था passive voice बनाना था. Why did you waste best part of your life? Why was the best part of your life wasted by you? This ship is bound for Pakistan. He is now ashamed of his conduct. Your case is so unique that I am not getting any precedent to support it. I can't pretend to know much about it. The Parliament invested the new organization with judicial authority. Choose the word that is most clearly similar in the meaning of word contended. Contended होता है disappointment. Eclipse होता है shine. Whose photographs was that? His photograph was that. In an office, an employee communicates horizontally with his colleagues. Oral communication is better than written communication for providing opportunity to refer back. Identify the type of sentence the police caught the criminals who looted the Mali. Compound sentence है ये. Press reports refer to written communication. Minutes is an official record of proceeding of a meeting. Which of the following is a correct deadline of a business letter? August 20, 1998. अगस्त यानी पहले आएगा 20, 1998. A memorandum memo is considered a brief form of written communication for internal use. In curricular letter, personal interest is created by using the word you. To decode a message is interpret a message. Where should the name and address of a firm writing a letter by mention in a letter of inquiry? Top right corner. That's all about today's revision regarding past paper of NAB. We will come soon inshallah more videos. Please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Please like, share, watch our videos and support us. Thank you.